guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about jeans. Now this video was the first video that I got requested to do by one of my friends on YouTube, and I haven't been able to buy so many jeans that I can review it all together. So today's video is going to be about two jeans, one black, one blue, that I got from Flipkart, how their sizes are, how their fits are, and yeah, basically that is all of it, and how the price is in Flipkart is so much drastically different from that we go to a shop and buy. So stick till the end of the video, and if you do like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing that I got is a plain blue, simple blue jeans with a really small grey embroidery. Okay, this embroidery was really small, just a plain normal embroidery on the left hand side thigh, and it was really pretty to look at. It's a very beautiful blue, and this is basically of no company exactly, but I would like to mention that if we go and buy this jeans on Max or anywhere else, the price would probably be around 1000 to 1500, but I got this jeans for around 800 rupees. I exactly don't know the prices right now on Flipkart, but I will leave you the links down below. The fit is amazing. I bought 30 size, and 30 size for my mom, not for me. I'm way fatter than that. Anyone who has got legs like really bony leg structure and really thin, long, sexy asses legs, these pants are for them, because this pant is super skinny fit and it looks amazing on anybody who has really thin legs, and the fit is amazing. It's not really tight, it doesn't look awkward, it's really amazing. So I would completely recommend this pant. And yeah, moving on to our second pant. This pant is from the brand called People is just now coming up in south of India, and I don't have a lot of idea about North India, but the shops have recently started opening in Pondicherry and other places around, and this pant is basically from there, and it costed me around 700 rupees. I'll leave the exact amount on the screen, but I do not know the price which it is now, so I will leave the product link down in the description. Do go check that out. And this is basically a plain black jeans. It's slightly ribbed. It's not ribbed that your skin is seeing, the cloth is just a little bit ribbed, and it's kind of faded in the thigh and the knee area, so it's kind of faded grayish blackish shade. It's perfect for a basic. It's like a must have in a wardrobe. So if you do not already have a pant, do go buy this. Okay, now coming to the sizes. The size of the first blue one that I told you is 30, but the size of the People, this black pant that I'm telling you, is 32, and both of them was for a single person. So People brand in specifically, if you buy online, buy a size bigger than your size. And again, this pant is not for curvy girls. This pant is for girls who have really thin legs and like that, because I tried wearing them, and they are either too tight, that is the 31, or they are not properly fitting. Either they'll fall off your ass, or they'll be loose near your calf area, or they'll be extremely tight near your thigh area. All that is for the curvy girls. So I will make a video from of pants that I got from Shein, same jeans, basic black and blue jeans. So if you want to know about what sizes exactly I wear, and curvy sizes with thick thighs and fatter legs in general, stick to the channel, subscribe to this channel for more videos, and that's it. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and if you do buy the pant, Do not forget to click a picture and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram ID will be on your screen. And you can also use the hashtag a girl's life with a Z and not S. Yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye.